Okay, let's start with Miss Michelle Jackson. Go ahead and unmute your phone, Miss Michelle Jackson.
You said something. It was on.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay, we're on the record. This is People versus Michelle Jackson. Following case is 510761. No operator's license on person. P984962. Driver while license suspended. Count 2 improper plates. P984961. Driving untitled unregistered vehicle. Count 2 failure to display a valid operator's license. Count 3 no insurance. And 255826. Count 1 unregistered motor vehicle. Count 2 no insurance. Day to day set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. Appearance, please.
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Ms. Jackson. Ma'am, please state your name.
Michelle Denise Jackson.
There's also one more case, 485453. No operator's license on person. What are we doing today?
Judge, Ms. Jackson would like to plead guilty per the offer.
Okay. Ms. Jackson, just to be clear, the offer is for you to plead guilty to 2 counts, both 0-point offenses of failure to display a valid operator's license and 1 count of improper plates. Do you want to take that offer?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney this morning about your case?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you pleading guilty because you are actually guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that you're waiving that right to a trial, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to April 7th, 2019, around 11:15 a.m. in the area of Gratiot, is it Buffet? Is that how you say it? In the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Were you operating a 2005 Chrysler black vehicle, 1, without insurance, and 2, without a valid license?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, satisfied?
Satisfied.
Okay, I will make the amendment to failure to display an improper place and dismiss the remaining count. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, Ms. Jackson, what I've been doing is waiving everyone's fines and costs due to the pandemic, so I will do the same for you today. So you do not have to pay anything to the court for the counts you just pled guilty to. It's typically about $480. Ms. Jackson, are you there?
Thank you, Your
Ms. Jackson, can you hear me? I know your phone. Yes, your phone froze.
Okay, can you hear me now, Your Honor?
Did you? I can hear you.
Yes,
Did
ma'am.
you hear what I was telling you about your fines and costs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you are all set. You have a good day.
Question, please.
Yes.
Your Honor, ask your question, please.
Yes. Yes, go ahead with the question.
Oh, my husband, because he's supposed to be on here, but he in the hospital. I said, what do I do about my husband? Because he's supposed to be in court this morning, but he in the
Right, I
hospital.
forgot that quickly. Is it James Jackson?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see here. Do you want a date going into the next year to give him some time or next month? What do you want to do?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I don't know how long he gonna be in the hospital, but they said he had cancer. He been in there a few days.
So let's just put his in January. We'll send out a notice in mail for him. So it'll be January.
Or next year.
Let's do next year. We're on January 19th.
Okay. What time?
At what time?
8:30 a.m. It'll still be on Zoom.
If not, just give us a call back.
Okay, the same numbers he put in.
Same number.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Best of luck. Wishes to your husband.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a blessed day.
You too. They have a right to jury trial.
We have to set it first.
Yeah. I'm gonna do Mario Jones. I'm confused, like, what? Mario Jones, go ahead and unmute your phone, take your hat off. This is the People versus Mario Cortez Jones, calling cases P1101-394, 16 to 20 over the posted speed, count 2, no valid registration. P1101-423, driver's license expired, count 2, no insurance. Date is the date set for a pretrial appearance.
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Mario Jones. Sir, please state your name.
You have to unmute your phone, Mr. Jones.
Mario Jones. Mario Jones. Can y'all hear me?
Yes, what are we doing with Mr. Jones?
Mr. Jones would like to plead guilty.
Okay. So it'll just be pleading responsible since it's a civil infraction. Mr. Jones, so the amended offer is for you to plead to speeding 6 to 10 over with the rest to be dismissed. You understand that offer?
I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
As your attorney discussed, the offer will be for you to plead responsible to speeding 6 to 10 over the speed limit.
Okay.
Counsel, was there stipulation to the face of the ticket for the responsible plea?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Jones, I amended your offer so that I can give you opportunity to not have 4 points on your license. But that means you need to use the money that I'm getting ready to save you to go try to obtain some insurance. You should not be operating that vehicle without insurance. It says here that you didn't have insurance since 2016. Or you provided 2016 insurance.
Yes, ma'am.
You have insurance now?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
I was getting it when I was renewing my tag. My birthday just passed, so I couldn't get to the Secretary of State to
You can still get insurance.
Okay.
So Mr. Jones, this is the only break. You come back in here with the same stuff, I can't do the same thing for you again, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. So I'm gonna waive your fines and costs. Don't go blow that money on something else. Use that to get some insurance, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I would have been I had just paid my tickets off. I was trying to get my license, but the pandemic hit, so that was the reason why.
Okay. All right, so you're all set, okay?
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a good rest of your day.
You too, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, Ms. Altonia Johnson. This is the People versus Altonia Renee Johnson, calling case P804085, count 1, driving while license not valid or improper license, count 2, no insurance, and count 3, driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearance?
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson appearing on behalf of Miss Altonia Johnson. Ma'am, please state your name.
Altonia Renee Johnson.
And what are we doing with Ms. Johnson today?
Miss Johnson would like to plead guilty, Judge.
Okay, Ms. Johnson, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Robinson in private today about your case?
Yes.
Put your hand.
Oh,
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
no.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
I'd like to bring your attention to March 2nd, 2018, around 4:45 p.m. in the area of Racine and Minden in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2001 Cadillac red vehicle without a valid license.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine, Council.
Satisfied, Judge.
Okay. I will make the amendment to the 0-point offense of failure to display a valid operator's license. I will dismiss the 2 remaining counts. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, and Ms. Johnson, did you post a bond on this case?
Yes.
How much?
$720. Well, I paid off. I had 3 of them. Well, 3 warrants rather.
Okay, so I'll apply your bond to your reinstatement fees, and have the balance sent to you, okay?
Okay.
You have any questions?
No.
Okay, you're all set. You have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Thanks. Okay, and lastly, Ms. Kimberly Jackson. Okay, this is the People versus Kimberly Jackson, calling case 7000741, one count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Here.
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson appearing on behalf of Miss Kimberly Jackson. Miss Jackson, please state your name.
Kimberly Jackson.
What are we doing for Ms. Jackson today?
Miss Jackson would like to plead guilty.
Okay, Ms. Jackson, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Robinson today about your case in private?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to a trial, Ms. Jackson, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to November 1st, 2019, around 11:50 p.m. in the area of Woodward and Cadillac Square in the city of Detroit. Were you operating, oh, no, it wouldn't be you. Did you allow an unlicensed driver to operate your 2002 Chevy Tam vehicle?
Yes.
Okay, status.
Satisfied.
Okay, Ms. Jackson, the recommendation here is for a 3-month delay sentence. I will change that to a 1-month delay. So after 1 month, as long as you don't pick up any other traffic offenses or any cases, this will be dismissed from your record as if it didn't happen, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Did you post a bond?
Yes, I did.
Okay, how much?
It was $250, I believe.
Okay. If you have a reinstatement fee that needs to be paid, yeah, I'm sure you do. I will apply your bond to that and have the balance returned to you in the mail, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Have a good day.
You too.